MEI again. Alright, this is the elevator at CVS. Somewhere in New York City, Times Square. Door close works on this one. Here's your cab. It's got a rear door. Innovation Bruiser. Okay.
Customer service needed in the vitamin department.
You guys going up?
Customer service needed in the vitamin department.
We'll close up. Here's your call button. I haven't heard this song in years. Jesus Christ.
Customer service
That's
needed
it.